I know I'm going. Jace's. Carter might be coming out, and then maybe Xander's. So we're just pulling in, so we'll see.
You got the vlog going too?
Yeah.
I started one because I figured you would make one.
Yeah.
So I was gonna send it.
How many hours are on this bike? 3?
4 for me, I think.
Brand new Tech 10s, Tech 12s.
How's the moisture content looking? There is none.
Yeah, there's none.
What the frick are on your feet? Dude, how much did you spend on those?
These are 200 something.
Why the frick did you buy those for 200 bucks?
No, I didn't buy
Those are
them.
the ugliest things I've ever seen.
I didn't buy them for 200. They were on sale.
For how much?
63.
You bought those things on purpose for $63?
Yeah, because they're usually over 200.
You look like that dude from Stranger Things. How about this thing you gave me? Never tried one before. That's disgusting. Come try this.
No, I don't want it.
Coffee?
Yeah, I don't want it.
Try some.
No, I don't want it. Don't get these. Java Monster.
So nasty. I can smell my breath already.
What are you running on your feet?
What?
I said, what are you running on your feet?
Oh, these?
The customs?
I got the track shoes. Black electrical tape holding them on. They've been good.
That's good.
And that's what is on this guy's feet. What? Now I gotta figure out how to... Why don't you bring the fancy one? Because? What kind of tricks? Oh, no. There's some flow. Wow. Yeah, dog. Oh, I've gone completely through them. Oh.
Is it videoing?
Yeah. That's up. Oh my god.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan.
Why you don't buy gloves off the menu?
I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan.
What are you doing?
Watching Whistling Diesel.
Should we go look at the landing of the freestyle ramp? See if we can hit it? Or do you think the Badgers have claimed it all?
No, we could go do that. If we just kick it in, I mean, or you just land on that.
Oh, we should probably kick it in. That is a big thing, whatever's in there.
Oh, where'd you find that?
By the hole.
Dude, what did they kill? Don't worry about that one, worry about the...
I know, but this is still very deadly.
This is deadly. Much more deadly is how fast I ran up that hill. Jeez, dude. Aim for the left. I wonder what he's thinking right now.
Who?
Mr. Badger.
Boys, what are you doing to my house?
Alright, we're out here at the next ramp. See if we can get the frame in there.
Blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, you waiting for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing.
What's going on there?
Well, I've been running it like that because my mechanic Carter hasn't been here, but my good pal Tanner said he'd do it for me, so.
We gotta tighten his chain before he goes.
Alright. Well, mechanics almost got it done. The wrong side fit on my poor. Oh gosh, look how stripped it is.
Got too little time, I'ma live up.
What happened?
I wheelied over Tanner. Why you don't wheelie?
Do a follow cam of you.
On the camera?
Yeah.
Oh god. Alright guys, welcome aboard. I don't do any tricks, but oh gosh. I thought he tried. Alright, we're into are scrumptious. Tanner's putting in the work, and I'm eating pumpkin spice cookies. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, big bite.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear thoughts build up until I can't hear. That my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts